today we'll be unboxing the Box of Style Spring subscription box. We'll start off with the extra items that came in the box. So these two items over here, they're for first-time subscribers. So if you sign up for your first time, they should be giving you a gift. You can use the code SPRING25 to be able to get it. But the two products that I got are an R Plus Co dry shampoo and scalp scrub exfoliant. So those are the extra products. Now let's move on to the subscription box. Okay. So as you can see, one of the items didn't fit in this box, so it came outside of the box. So when you open the box, there is this brochure that tells you what's in the box as well. So we'll go through that. Okay. So we'll start with the first item. Let's see what this is. Okay, let's see what it says in the brochure. So this is a By You with Love chain bracelet, and it retails for $195. So let's see what it looks like. So it looks like this chained bracelet. Okay. Let's see. The next item is this Erno Laciso Hydrate and Nourish toner, I think. Yes. This is what it looks like. And let's see what the retail value of this is. The retail value for this is actually $68. Okay. The next product is this R Plus Co Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion for your hair. And let's see how much this retails for. So this retails for $29. Okay. And the last item in this box are these stiff charitable eyewear sunglasses. And let's see what they retail for. So these, they retail for $85, and there were two different color options you could have chosen. So let's see what it looks like. Comes in this bag. These cute turquoise sunglasses, has a bold frame. That's what it looks like. Okay. So let's see what the last item is. Let's close this for now. So this bag is the last item in there. And let's read more about it. So this is the Shiralia Ardent Tote Bag, and the retail value of this is $74. Okay. Let's see what the inside looks like. So it does have like an inner small pocket right there. That is the last item. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.